Okay guys, we're back with Jessica and we're out on the balcony with the green background and we're going to show you 3 easy ways to put your hair half up with mermaid curls, or you can do it with anything really. Okay, so we just curled her hair so it has so much texture and so much volume. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 pieces of hair on the sides like this, and then we're going to rubber band that off like so. Just put it in the pony like that, and then we're going to part that section above the ponytail and we're going to pull this through, and then we're going to kind of just pull that out to make it look a little bit messier. And then we're going to take 2 more, and we're just using these clear elastics from Sally's because they're the easiest, I feel. And then we're going to take 2 more pieces of hair right on top of that last pony, and same thing, just making it into a ponytail and then sectioning that ponytail in the middle and pulling that piece through, and then same thing, just kind of pulling it up and just kind of making it messy. And there you have the first cute, easy half up. Okay, so we're going to do the next one. We're just going to take one of the pieces from her side, about this much, and we're just going to twist it like so. And then we're going to pull out the twist a little bit, just to make it a little messier. And then we're going to bobby pin it over here. And then we're going to take the same thing, like about and then we're going to take the other side and do the same thing, and we're going to twist that. Same thing, just kind of pulling this out to make it a little messier. And then we're just going to pin that like that. And then we're going to take this middle section, take a clear elastic, and just take 2 pieces and start rubber banding them together, because we can make this braid a lot bigger when you do that instead of just fishtailing it. So then I'm going to poof out these a lot, and then taking that same middle section right there and taking 2 pieces, 1 on each side, and just, I don't know, 2 pieces and really pulling them out a lot. And then just keep taking from that section behind and rubber banding these 2 pieces together. Just kind of fanning them out as I go. I think it's easier than going back through. be our last one. You kind of just do it however many times you want. And then you have the next half updo. Okay, so now we're going to do just a little cute, little easy bun. Okay, so you're going to take about this much on each side, and you're going to just put it in a pony, and then on the last one you'll pull it halfway through, and then you're going to twist this, and we're going to just pull it through there, and then we're just going to take some bobby pins and I can't see what I'm doing, unfortunately. We're just going to kind of pin down just so the bun is not so giant. And you can kind of put like texture spray in there too, and it will make it have a little, let me go grab it. A little bun. And then just spray it a little. Ooh! So windy.
Go rip off again.
Seriously. There you go. Okay, so there you have your 3 easy half-up hairstyles with mermaid curls. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.